Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, winter chill is back across the area. It's going to stay with us for the next 36 hours or so. And after a chilly start Saturday, maybe a frosty start Saturday, we're going to warm up nicely this weekend and we'll be into the upper 70s by the, say, Tuesday of next week before another cool down and in between some showers. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. But in spite of the cold weather coming into the station today, I noticed the buds on the trees around KATC, and sure enough, going to the Phenology Network. I'm having a hard time pronouncing that. Anyway, these are the folks that track like if the leaves are coming out and the trees are budding early or not. And red meaning they're coming out early, blue meaning they are delayed, and we're running about 15 to 20 days ahead of schedule the entire southeastern United States from North Carolina back through Texas. So it's been an awfully mild winter, mild January, one of the warmest Januaries on record globally, and we were pretty mild as well, although not a record here locally, but the trees are thinking, hey, spring is not that far away. But if you go outside tonight, it feels something else. Temperatures in the 40s and wind chills pushing the upper 30s. Across the lower 48, it's a little bit quieter pattern. Some snows off to the north, lake effect snows, showers out in the Gulf of Mexico and off to the east. That's associated with a little bit of another upper level disturbance that's been passing by us to the south. That's been carrying some high clouds. Behind it, we've had stratiform clouds, and right in between right now, we have clear skies over the area, but I think these clouds come back in and they kind of lock in through first thing tomorrow morning, but those clouds will burn off for tomorrow afternoon. We see that on the high resolution 3-kilometer NAM model. It's going to be chilly indeed. Temperatures in the upper 30s, wind chills lower 30s in Lafayette. These numbers are always Lafayette numbers, so you can't go by that guide and say if you live up in Ville Platte or down toward Gaydon, but it gives us a pretty good idea. Same with the winds here. Cool tomorrow at lunchtime, lower 50s, but the sun will begin to bust out and we'll have a nice sunny afternoon with temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. Tomorrow night, cold, and I think we're going to go below the computer model guidance. We're going to have very light winds tomorrow night, and we could see a frost, especially in the northern portions of Acadiana, but anywhere in Acadiana, maybe the chance of frost. So like I said last week, hold on to those tomatoes. Don't put them out yet. Nice and mild for Saturday afternoon, mostly sunny skies, and it's looking even better Saturday evening. Some clouds coming in, but right now it looks quiet and dry for the Rio Parade. Temperatures will be dropping down into the 50s during the course of the parade Saturday night. So as we look at the big picture overnight tonight, your temperatures dropping down to near freezing up toward Alexandria, low to mid 30s here. Don't think we see too much frost other than if you hit the freezing mark up toward Alec, because we have a pretty brisk north wind. Wind chills in the upper 20s. Northern parishes will favor mid to upper 30s I-10 corridor, and pretty much the same along the coastal parishes near 40 Cameron and over toward Morgan City. And then after that chilly start, we get into the 50s tomorrow afternoon. We'll favor mid to upper 50s. Tomorrow night, I think we get closer to the 34 to 35 degree mark for a lot of us, so we could see some frost. And then Saturday, as we indicated, milder temperatures. One issue to remember, first thing tomorrow morning, bundle up. Wind chills will be in the upper 20s to lower 30s, so it's going to feel like a winter morning tomorrow. The clouds there, they break up as we head into the afternoon with sunny skies, and this time tomorrow night, just as chilly but lighter winds, maybe setting the stage for some frost early Saturday morning. As we head into Saturday night, showers, but it looks like after midnight, few showers into early Sunday. Busy 10-day forecast with all the parades and entering that full Mardi Gras season here. Upper 70s, near 80 on Tuesday, but then a chill down and we don't get out of the 40s on Thursday, so more up and down temperatures, and thus the way it goes in February, but overall milder than normal. First 6 weeks, 7 weeks.
Just those tastes of winter
year.
We've been getting.
Yeah, exactly, which is the way I like it. I don't
Me
know about
too.
you guys. Just
No
a
complaints.
taste.
Yeah.
Just an aperitif.
Oh, very good.
Here one day, gone the next.
Thanks, Rob.
Thanks, Rob.